Hello everyone. NIO faces recent delivery challenges, but optimism surrounds post-March. The A295 chip launch, anticipated discounts, and potential battery cost reductions could revitalize sales, bringing satisfaction to investors. According to my understanding, information about ES6 deliveries has been obtained from the first week of July until now. It has been observed that in the past week, which was the second week of January, NIO delivered 633 ES6 vehicles, which is 535 less than the first week and 475 less compared to the previous month, reflecting a decrease of 42.87%. Now let's discuss the combined deliveries of ET5 and ET5T. It has been noted that in the past week, they delivered 547 vehicles, which is 381 less than the first week and 375 less compared to the previous month, indicating a decrease of 40%. Moving on to ES8 deliveries, in the past week, they delivered 102 vehicles, which is 172 less than the first week and 151 less compared to the previous month, representing a decrease of 59.68%. Now, let's look at the trend for 777 deliveries. They delivered 81 vehicles in the past week, which is 84 less than the first week and 89 less compared to the previous month, indicating a decrease of 52%. Lastly, let's discuss the delivery trend for EC6. In the past week, they delivered 288 vehicles, which is 177 less than the first week and 242 less compared to the previous month, showing a decrease of 45%. When we consider overall deliveries, it is evident that there is a significant decline in every aspect. However, it's noteworthy that the slight decrease in the second week of October is attributed to a national holiday. As you can see, there has been a significant decline in NIO deliveries since the beginning of this year, especially in the last 2 weeks. Now we also know that Tesla deliveries dropped in the first week of January. However, in reality, Tesla deliveries picked up again in the second week of January. The Tesla Model Y delivered 2,163 vehicles in the first week of January and then delivered 5,744 vehicles in the second week, so it's actually increasing. Yes, they have obviously implemented a price cut, so that could be a reason. Many others are also cutting prices. Let's talk about some other companies that are doing well, such as our EREV AI to M7. They delivered 5,487 vehicles in the first week of January and then delivered 6,379 vehicles in the second week. A2 buses are selling really well. Unbelievable. But we also need to look at some traditional competitors. Zeekr 001 delivered 1,050 vehicles in the second week of January, which is 377 less than the first week and 62 less than the previous month, a 5.57% decrease. Then we have the BMW i3, which delivered 934 vehicles, 177 more than the first week of January, but 139 less than the previous month, equal to 12.95%. BMW iX3 delivered 723 vehicles. So that's up 87 from the week before and up 114 from the same time last month, an increase of 18.7% from the same time last month. So this is very interesting. If you look at everything together, you can say that yes, everyone is declining, but NIO is declining a bit faster than others. And it's fascinating to see that Zeekr 001, BMW i3, BMW iX3 have taken 1, 2, 3 positions, and then you have ES6, NIO ET5T, EC6, ES8, and 777 taking positions below that. Now if we look at the total SUVs delivered, it would be ES6 plus EC6, as some people can choose one or the other. They delivered 921 cars in the second week of January, which is less than the 1633 of the first week and less than the total 3065 SUV deliveries in the last week of December. So if you combine both SUV sales, it is above the BMW iX3 delivery numbers, but below BMW A3 and Zeekr 001 delivery numbers. So this is indeed an interesting perspective. And if you look at the market share, considering only these cars, BMW pure electric cars, Zeekr 001 and NIO deliveries, we can say that NIO has a 38% market share, BMW has a 38% market share, and Zeekr has a 24% market share. So this is quite interesting. The decline in deliveries is mainly due to a policy change, where getting license plates has become 3 times more difficult than before. This change, with the fear of changing, was a reason to push many deliveries forward in December. And what we are seeing now is that BMW and all these companies are reducing prices, and undoubtedly, NIO is not sitting idle on these deliveries. They have also decided to reduce the price, discount. Many enthusiasts are involved in the R&D for the A295 chip. Fortunately, NIO has decided to launch it soon. They haven't stopped working on it for the past few weeks, but obviously, no one wants to wait that long, right? They don't want to sit on these lower delivery numbers. They need to move forward. That's why they are launching it in March. So this is very good. It will give a solid boost to deliveries. But they have also offered significant discounts. However, these are only for inventory cars and showroom cars. So if you're buying a new car, that's the deal. And buying an NIO car now doesn't make any sense. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, because in the next few weeks, just a few weeks after March, you will get a chip upgrade. If you buy a car now, the price will remain the same. But if you want the latest chip, then in a few weeks, you might have to pay 15,000 RMB for the chip upgrade. So obviously, it's better to wait and not buy a car now. Wait until March, then buy the car and save yourself the chip upgrade fees. That's exactly what's happening. Obviously, I want deliveries to happen now. I want the A295 version to be launched soon, but it is what it is. I'm not hating on NIO, nothing like that. I'm just explaining to you what's happening. Now, what can we expect after March? Yes, after March, there will definitely be an increase in deliveries. That is certain. The use of the A295 chip will be a significant factor for many people. However, it will also be interesting to see what other incentives come up, such as a reduction in battery prices, not the car cost, but only in the battery cost, and a reduction in expenses for just the next month. If this happens, it will contribute to an increase in sales, as indicated by the new head of Shinsegae Power Division. So it's very possible that something like this may happen. Many NIO investors are frustrated, as I have reported, but I truly believe that NIO needs to make some improvements because the prices of lithium have fallen, and this is logical. It will bring improvement to the market. This is a win for everyone. NIO needs to sell, investors need to sell, and reducing prices will make every existing NIO owner very happy. So this will be a step in the right direction. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.